Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a triple Louis unboxing for you, and oh my god, I bought a new handbag. I haven't bought a Louis Vuitton handbag for the longest time. I can't even remember when was the last time I bought a handbag, a couple of years ago, but this one really spoke to me. I picked up three absolutely gorgeous pieces from the new Spring in the City collection, which is so beautiful. So many pastel colors, and I can't wait to show you my three picks from this collection. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching, and don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see my new purchases, how I style them. I show you my daily outfits on my stories, so I would love to see you there as well. I'm very happy to announce that this year I'm partnering up with Luisa again. I'm wearing some of the new earrings. So the first pair I want to show you are these hoop earrings with a pearl in the middle. I really love the design. They always have such unique designs and they release so many new pieces, so make sure you check out the new in section. Plus, they're currently running their Mother's Day sale, which is buy one get one 40% off, and it is applied on everything on the website. And I love spoiling my mum, so I did buy her some gifts as well for Mother's Day. And also I picked up this little pair of hoops. I actually wanted to get, there are two sizes, there are larger hoops and bigger hoops, but the larger ones were sold out, so currently I'm stalking the websites to see if they will restock the larger hoops. Don't these remind you of something, guys? They definitely give me very high-end vibes. They reminded me of the Chanel Coco Crush line, and I do have the Coco Crush ring. I love how they look stacked with the first pair of earrings that I showed you. And that's another thing that I love about Ana Luisa pieces, because they are so dainty and they stack so nicely together, very easy. So as you can see, I'm also wearing two necklaces that I've stacked, and the first necklace is this pearly one. The chain is so dainty and so beautiful. It has little pearls, they're very tiny, so they match perfectly with the hoop earrings. I have so many other necklaces and jewelry pieces, rings, earrings from Ana Luisa. I wear them all the time. My mum has many Ana Luisa pieces as well, and she wears them almost daily as well, so they're really high quality, and the prices are so affordable. The other necklace that I'm currently wearing I also really love. I put it on the longer setting. I really love the design, it's very elegant, the crystals are so sparkly. And also another thing to note about Ana Luisa is their packaging. They're carbon neutral. They come in these beautiful soft pouches that will be great for traveling. And yeah, these are the new Ana Luisa pieces that I got. I hope you guys loved them. Definitely check them out, and I will make sure I leave all the links to the ones I picked up down below in the description box. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with this Louis. This actually I haven't seen, it got delivered today, and this is the handbag. So this is the most exciting one, I would say. This is how it got delivered. They actually changed their delivery service, and they don't deliver with huge cardboard boxes anymore. This is exactly how it came in the Louis shopping bag. That's how they gave it to me. So this will be a first reaction, so let's open it up. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have an idea what I got, because I was reposting so many of my favorite pieces from this collection on my stories. So can you guys guess? Let's open it up. It actually looks very small. This is my, oh my god. I just had a look at it. Oh my god. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a first reaction. I haven't seen this bag in person. I was just saying it looks much smaller. I haven't actually seen this size before. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. Isn't she so pretty? This is a unicorn. This is a true unicorn. Look at the colors. This is the most beautiful on the go I have seen, and I wasn't sure initially. I loved it. I was sure about the color. I just wasn't sure about the size, because I haven't tried on this size before. I have probably seen it, I just haven't tried it on, and I didn't know if it will suit me, how it will look on me. So the on the go was available in this exact colorway, which is called the, I think it's called the Sunrise Pastel. It was available in a few different bags, but the On The Go was available in the PM size, which is the one I got, and the large one. And you guys might know I have the On The Go MM, which is the size in between. So I was gonna probably order the same one as mine because I really like the size I have. It's very practical. It is perfect for traveling. I find the GM, which is the largest, way too big. It is a great travel bag, but I honestly don't need such a huge bag for traveling anyway, so the GM is definitely not for me. But at the same time, I wanted to be able to use this bag as an everyday bag in the summer, so I thought actually maybe the PM would work for me. I wanted to try it out. I got sent the preview of the lookbook for this collection a few months in advance, so I had enough time to decide which one to go for. It also comes, this exact color combination comes in a few other different styles. Actually, I was contemplating between the On The Go and the Petite Sac Plate, which is very tiny. Actually, I do have an unboxing of the classic Petite Sac Plate in the classic monogram, so I'll make sure I link it above if you're interested and want to see how it looks on me, what it fits. It doesn't really fit anything, but I was contemplating between both of them as a summer bag, but at the end I decided to go for this one, and I'm so happy because it's definitely a more practical bag. The Petite Sac Plate, it's very adorable, it's very cute, but you can barely fit your phone inside. However, at the end, what really sold me this bag was an accessory that is included here inside. This bag comes with a strap and a coin purse, and look how beautiful. It's in this gorgeous minty color, so you can clip it on the side. It is adjustable strap, so you can adjust the length, and for reference, I'm 170 centimeters tall, 5'6". I will try it on crossbody so you can see how it looks crossbody on me. I'm glad that they didn't do pink or lilac. I think the mint is very fresh, and it looks really great with the gold hardware as well. And what do we have here? A coin purse in the same monogram in pastel. Isn't it so adorable? I will open it up so we can have a look inside. It is purple. It has gold zipper, gold hardware, yellow gold hardware, which I love. So you can unclip it, you can use it inside your bag. If you don't like the strap, you can definitely take it off. You can actually also put it as a charm on your bag. And as far as I remember, when I was browsing the collection when it launched online, it is currently available online. This was available to buy separately for around £200 if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, this bag was I think £2,350, and it comes with the strap. I didn't pay extra for the strap or the zippy coin purse, they came together. And also you can use this strap on other bags. I actually think this minty color will really suit the classic monogram in brown. I think brown and minty really complement each other as well. The bag has the cutest lining inside. Look how spacious it is. It is a small bag, but it's very spacious because of the design, and the lining inside is in lilac fabric, and it has the cutest monogram with the LV and the iconic flower motifs as well. It has a zipper at the back. There is also a clip, so you can kind of close the bag. It is an open bag, you can see, but yeah, it is there if you want to use it. And another thing that really caught my eye is the glittery monogram on the front. I will show you with maybe a flashlight, hopefully it will show, or direct sunlight. It's definitely not too in your face, it's not very sparkly, it's very subtle, but it has this pearlescent effect. So yeah, this is the new bag. I can't wait to try it on and see myself in the mirror finally with this bag and start wearing it. The weather is getting so warm and it will be so perfect for spring and summer, so I can't wait to wear it. I would love to hear if you guys love it and what you think in the comment section down below. Moving on with unboxing number 2. This one is quite heavy because there is a magazine. This I didn't pre-order. I actually found this in Harrods, and I met a lovely Acer in Harrods, and he gave me this beautiful Louis magazine. I don't know why this is so heavy actually. It is quite heavy, but it is a small item. So it is one of the drawer boxes. So you can probably tell I picked up a pair of shoes. Okay, shoe number 1, shoe number 2, and a bunch of samples. These are also from the new collection, and I actually bought these before I saw the bag. So the bag I received today, and these I bought about 2 weeks ago, I would say. Let me take out the other one. Aren't they gorgeous? So because I pre-ordered the bag, I saw these at Harrods and I was like, oh my god, these will be such a perfect match with the bag. So yeah, me and my mum went shopping in Harrods and we went to Louis to browse, and I didn't expect to see these because the collection didn't officially launch until I think the week after. So it was way too early for these to come out, but I guess they received some stock, so they were on display, and I was very surprised. I purchased these before I even had the bag, so I wasn't even sure if they'll match, but let's find out. Do they match? They do match. They're the perfect match. I love them. I think this pastel monogram is so special. It is very beautiful. It's not too in your face because the colors really blend and they work so well with each other. So although they're monogram, and for the longest time I was off monogram, guys, I didn't want to buy any monogram pieces because I already have quite a few. So I haven't been that drawn to anything monogram lately until this collection launched. So yeah, I can definitely style them up with so many of my other handbags as well for summer. Such a fresh, beautiful color, very summery, perfect for holidays, very comfortable as well. They run, I would say, true to size. I got mine in size 38, but these don't exist in half sizes, they only come in full sizes. So maybe if you are between sizes, if you are 38 and a half in open shoes, I would suggest you go for 39, so bear that in mind. Last, let's move on with the last purchase that I pre-ordered, and they also sent me some samples, again perfume samples. So what's in here is very special because it is my first one of these, and I have already unboxed it because I wanted to try it on and see if it will fit properly. This is the ribbon. It came a few days ago. We have a clear pouch, and inside I picked up, ta-da, one of the Louis Vuitton swimsuits in the same pastel sunrise color. I'm so ready for holiday with all the pastel goodies from Louis. I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton swimsuit. They always release such cute designs and prints, and last year I really loved the one from the, I think it was the Game On collection. It was white with black monogram and it had hearts on it. It was a beautiful design. It was like a one shoulder piece, and I really liked that one, and I missed out, it sold out. So this time I wanted to pre-order because I knew this one will be a very popular piece, and I didn't want to miss out this time because the swimsuits, they sell out so fast. So I pre-ordered this, and it is the cutest. I know some people wear these as a bodysuit with blazers, or just as a top in the summer with a pair of shorts. I love this monogram because it's not too in your face, although it's like full monogram on the front. It is in these beautiful pastel colors. This will be so cute with like a lilac blazer or a pink denim jacket on top. Will also look really adorable. So I sized up in this and I got a size 40. I always size up for swimsuits. I find them more comfortable and they look better when they're not too tight. Also, they come in these cute clear pouches. I think all Louis Vuitton swimsuits come in these. So yeah, it's so nice that they still give these as a freebie when you purchase swimsuits. I think they're so practical. Even if they were selling them separately, I was probably gonna buy one. And you can even use it as a little bag when you go on holidays. You can put it under your arm, like a little clutch bag. So yeah, very cute. You can put your wet swimsuit in here. So that's that. And let me just show you. So I have the swimsuit with the matching bag and the matching shoes. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Louis Spring in the City unboxing. I know I went full on matchy pastel unicorn. Let me know which one was your favorite piece that I unboxed in today's video. Let me know if you also picked up anything from this collection. I would love to hear from you in the comment section down below. So these are all the new beautiful jewelry pieces that I picked up from Luisa this time. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. I will link everything down below, so do check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.